Hi everyone and welcome to the brilliant little backyard. Today we're going to talk about lemon and how to plant and look after it afterwards, and when to use Epsom salt and how to use it. Now this lemon is 1 year old. I planted last year, but simply the way to plant it is you make small mound and then you dig a hole in the mound the size of the pot that the tree came with. So if the pot was this side, you make a hole in the ground as deep as this one in the mound, and then you put it in and you cover the stem of the plant until like 6 centimeter or almost 2 inches to the grafting point. This is the grafting point. We need to keep it above the ground. And then this mound is permanent mound around the stem. This area is for the ventilation of the root. It should not be watered. You should not put any fertilizers on this area. And this is like a circle of around 20 centimeter of diameter. Then you make a space around the drip line where this area you need to water and put fertilizer. We're in autumn. Autumn is a good time to put some fertilizers. I mixed here some cow manure with soil, and I'm going to apply it now, and small quantity around the drip line of the tree is enough at this time. The next application of fertilizer should be around start or end of winter, start of spring. That's when the growth of the tree, actually you need the growth now. At this stage you don't need the tree to produce a new growth, just to put fertilizer to make the tree actually sustain the winter and feed it during winter. So now we applied the cow manure around the drip line using Epsom salt. If you look at this, you know, it's got nice fruits, but the old leaves yellowing. This is an indication of magnesium sulfate deficiency. It's obvious because yellowing, old leaves, we have triangle of green at the end here. That's certainly magnesium sulfate deficiency. The deficiency of magnesium sulfate we can solve by using Epsom salt. Epsom salt is organic material. We can use once or twice a year only, and the recommendation is to have 1 teaspoon for every liter of water. I added some water here in this, and while I'm adding the Epsom salt, I want to stir it. I obviously need to keep moving. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 9 liters of water. I'm just going to stir it and fill it up with water. want to make sure that all the crystal of the magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt is being dissolved in the water. And then we want to water around the drip line. Never go close to the stem of the tree. It's actually, it might be harmful, very harmful to the tree itself if you go close there. So we keep the water around and outside that circle close to the stem. Now the biggest amount of fertilizer should go end of winter to prepare the tree for the new growth during spring. Following this, you'll never go wrong. You'll always get this beautiful fruit. This is only 1 year old. It's got new growth coming up. Later on, I will check on this new growth. If there is yellowing in these new leaves, that means we need to treat. This is iron deficiency, and we need to use iron chelates to help it produce the greenery. I hope you enjoyed this. Please comment, share, like, subscribe. I will keep you informed about the progress of this tree. Hopefully it will keep producing very nice fruit for years to come. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.